Are college football series records presented differently in books? Imagine flipping through a book about college football and noticing that some series records look a little different from others. You might wonder if the way these records are shown changes depending on the book. Well, the truth is, most books keep the basic facts the same, but how they present those facts can vary quite a bit. General, books that focus on college football history or rivalries will include the total number of games played between two teams, along with how many wins, losses, and ties each team has. These are the core parts of any series record and are usually consistent across different sources. But the way they show this information can differ. Some books organize the records by rivalry or by specific seasons, adding context or stories about famous games or moments that shape the rivalry. Official NCAA publications, like the NCAA Football Records book, employ a standard format. They include detailed statistics on series records, and they often add other data like postseason games starting from the 2000 season. This can make the records look different from older books that might not include postseason games or count ties differently. These official books focus on accuracy and consistency, so their presentation tends to be straightforward and uniform. On the other hand, books that highlight traditions, game day stories, or team histories might include extra details. They could tell the story of a game that shifted the rivalry's balance or include photographs and anecdotes. These books might organize series records in a way that emphasizes the cultural significance of the matchups rather than just numbers. The scope of the book also matters. Some books cover all NCAA divisions, including Football Bowl Subdivision, Football Championship Subdivision, and lower divisions. Others focus only on top-tier teams or specific conferences. This means the included games and how they are counted can change. For example, some books might include only regular season games, while others add postseason matchups, which can alter the total wins and losses. For fans and historians, understanding these differences is key. If one book includes postseason games and another does not, their series records will look different even if they are talking about the same rivalry. Also, how ties are counted can vary. Some sources might count ties as half a win, while others ignore them altogether. In essence, the core facts about wins, losses, and total games stay the same across books. But the way they are presented can change based on the book's purpose, scope, and whether it aims to tell a story or just list statistics. So, when comparing series records from different books, it's good to check if postseason games are included and how ties are handled. That way, you get a clear picture of the rivalry's history and the story behind the numbers.